We getting some lotion. None of that. None of that. None of that. Ashiness, I don't know her. Alright, now that I look less dusty, it's time to get into the actual part of being a baddie that everyone always centers on, which is your face. Alright, well, it's usually your face and your booty, but I already got the booty, so I need to get the face, okay? Alright, so here's the portion where I am going to put on a full-on glammed up face of makeup. I literally don't even know if this shade of foundation I'm about to use even matches anymore, because I literally never do a full face of makeup. That just hasn't been like my vibe for the past like year and a half, but I'm going to attempt it anyway. And we're gonna see how it goes. So this is everything I have that I think I will need for my baddie face, my baddie full face. So here's my makeup bag, and yeah, everything I think I'll need. I have like 2 blushes, 2 powders, like 6 mirrors, and all of this. And we're just gonna see how this goes. Like I said, I have not done a full face of makeup in a very long time. So we're just gonna see how this goes. This is probably gonna be sped up because I want to listen to copyrighted music, so BRB. Also, I will not be looking like fully into the camera the whole time because I have a mirror, because I took my glasses off. I'm blind, I don't have contacts. That's something we're gonna work on this year, but yeah. You know, like on Snapchat when someone starts typing and it notifies you? Our downstairs neighbor just started typing, and I just knew that she was gonna like message me and tell me to shut the fuck up because it's like 8 in the morning. But I guess she stopped typing because I turned the music down. I don't know. Hannah, I don't know if you watch my YouTube videos, but if you do, I'm so sorry that I live this way and that it does this to you. Okay, so now we finna bake, all right? Like I said, I have not done a full face of makeup in quite some time, so let's see if I can get that sweet spot with the baking, because you know, if you leave it on too long, like your under eye gets dry and everything gets like crusty and flaky and like gross. But if you leave it on just right, you be looking like a bad bitch. All right, so that's what we're going for. We want to leave it on so we're a bad bitch. I'm sorry. Steffi is behind the camera taking a nap. All right, so let's see if I can hit that sweet spot. Whew, good Lord, let's hope I can do it. Okay, so now that I look like Ghostface Killer, I don't even know if I'm using that reference correctly. I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and like I said, we're trying to hit that sweet spot, so I'm gonna do it real quick, like real quick. Okay, so hold on. I look like I got punched in the face. Can y'all see that? Maybe since I have hooded eyes, I can, oh yeah, God. That, yeah. That looks like I was punched in the face. Okay, okay, we have to fix that. We have to fix that. Dear God, I hope I can fix that. All right, I look presentable. I feel like I can pass as a baddie right now, so I'm okay with that. Yeah, so I'm going to dust my face off now. Have we done it? Have we hit the sweet spot? I think I did it. I think I did it. Oh my God, I think I did it. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I seriously, I have not baked my face in so long. I'm so happy I can still do it. I have confidence in myself. All right, no, seriously though, I did that. I did that. Wow. All you have to do is believe in yourself, because I thought this was gonna be a hot ass mess. I did. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. But bitch, I did that. I did that. Wow. Let me make sure I did that and that it doesn't just look. No, it looks all right. It looks pretty good on camera too. Okay. 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 Anyway. All right. So now I'm gonna put on some blush. It's literally the same blush I've been using since college. Like, I'm not talking about the shade, like I'm talking about the actual container. I've used this since college, but that's between me and y'all. That's between me and my friends on the internet. So I'm gonna put on my eyeliner and mascara real quick, and then I'll be back. All right, so I'm back. I just used my Milk Makeup Kush mascara. I don't know if you can actually see it, but it doesn't matter. That's what it is. Yes, that's it. So usually when I do my makeup, I get the most compliments on my eyebrows because one, they already naturally look fantastic, but once I do them, baby, you can tell me that. Sorry, got out of focus. Anyway, so now I'm gonna do a little sculpting. So as you can already see, I'm all blushed out, and usually I would stop at that and I would just let that be what it be, but I'm an Instagram baddie today. All right, I'm showing you how to be an Instagram baddie, so I'm going to contour. Good Lord, I have not done this in forever, so please bear with me, child. Whew. All right, so I'm really happy with this. I mean, it's not like, you know, sculpted to the gods or anything, but I think it definitely crafted my face better than what it was. I'm no longer the moon emoji. Yeah, she looks good. She looks good. All right, so now I'm gonna put on just a dab, just a little dabby dab of highlight. I did that. Look at bitch, look at that. Look at that. Now, I'm not sure what kind of baddies y'all follow, but the baddies I follow go between using matte and gloss. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna do both. Yes, so this is the full face. This is how she looks. This is how she, you know, this is how she thrives. All right, so this is my full face. I'm gonna take my glasses off so everyone can appreciate it. Right, get into it. All right, so now I gotta do my hair, and then I will come back and we're gonna pick out an outfit. Man, I swear the lighting in this bathroom is atrocious. So yeah, this is the hair. Windblown, bad bitch, like, I don't know. But yeah, this is gonna be the hair, and this is the, you know, the makeup look. Let me take my glasses off. Yeah, now we're gonna go pick out outfits. Alright, so this is the finished look, and my very own perception of what a bad bitch looks like, an Instagram baddie, if you will. I had a lot of fun making this video, not gonna lie. If you liked this, if you liked this type of video, if you liked my transformation, go down below and smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should go ahead and do that. And comment down below and tell me if this is the kind of content that you like, because I really enjoyed making it, and I would love to make another video like this, like whether it's like me doing e-girl makeup or like what other internet trends are there, I don't know. If you're looking for other reasons to subscribe to the channel besides the amazing content, know that here on this channel, we love tacos, we love memes, and we already love you. So we'll see you next time. Bye.